Would you like to feel like royalty the moment you step foot aboard your Disney cruise? Perfect, because today we're taking you on the tour of one of the most spacious staterooms aboard the Disney Treasure, the Concierge one-story royal suite with veranda. Hi, I'm Erin with the Vacationeer. We had the privilege of previewing the Disney Treasure, and we're excited to bring you ship tours and expert planning tips for your next Disney cruise. The Bagheera Royal Suite is an elegant tribute to the Jungle Book, and it comes with all of the perks of concierge service aboard Disney Cruise Line. As you enter, you're greeted by a world of luxury. Every inch of the 1,500 square foot suite, including the private balcony, has been designed to give you the royal treatment. These suites perfectly blend Disney storytelling with 5-star luxury. Check out this spacious living area. It's the perfect way to relax with your family. The custom designed dining table, wet bar, and kitchenette are built for ultimate convenience. This suite sleeps up to 6 guests, making it perfect for families or groups. The large living area includes a queen sleeper sofa, giving everyone their own comfy spot to relax and recharge. The suite also comes with a massive private veranda, complete with comfortable patio furniture and your very own whirlpool tub. Imagine relaxing here while watching stunning sunsets. Now let's head into the first master bedroom. The king-size bed is complete with a premium Eurotop mattress and feathered down duvets and guarantees a perfect night's sleep. And for extra comfort, concierge guests can choose from hypoallergenic, feather, or memory foam pillows. Plus, each bedroom has its own walk-in closet with plenty of space to store all your belongings. The gorgeous master bathroom features double vanities, a luxurious rain-style shower, and a soaking tub. With 2 full master bathrooms and an additional guest bathroom, there's plenty of space for everyone to get ready. No waiting in line here. Disney has thought of everything from motorized curtains for privacy to USB-C charging stations at your fingertips. Staying here truly feels like stepping into the future of luxury travel. Being a concierge guest is so much more than glamorous accommodations. The Concierge Lounge is your private retreat on board, where you can sip cocktails, enjoy complimentary snacks, and get assistance with anything you need. And for a quieter outdoor retreat, head to the Concierge Sun Deck. This is a private oasis that comes complete with whirlpools, cushioned lounge chairs, and a bar stocked with refreshments. It's the perfect spot to soak up the sun and relax in peace. The Concierge one-story royal suite with veranda aboard the Disney Treasure is so much more than a stateroom. It's a royal retreat. Be sure to check out our other stateroom tours aboard the Disney Treasure as you continue your research, and reach out to the Vacationeer at vacationeer.com/YouTube for more details about how we can help you book your Disney cruise vacation with onboard credit. Help us continue to bring you great Disney cruise information by subscribing and giving this video a like. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you again real soon.